regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. You gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep. Regulators, mount up.
It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Warren G was on the streets, trying to consume some skirts for the E, so I can get some phones. Rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC, on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweet. All you skirts know what's up with 213.
So I hooks a left on 21 and Lewis. Some brothers shooting dice, so I said let's do this. I jumped out the ride and said what's up. Some brothers pull some gas, so I said I'm stuck.
Since these girls peeping me, I'ma glide and swerve. These hookers looking so hard, they straight hit the curb. On to bigger, better things than some horny tricks.